Hello everyone, welcome to the second unit of Introductory Econometrics course, which is Statistical Inference. Now, इस टॉपिक में जो बेसिकली जो हमारा मोटिवेशन है हम पहले वो डिस्कस करेंगे और यहाँ पर जो ब्रॉड आइडिया है स्टैटिस्टिकल इन्फ्रेंस करने का वो इस बात से आता है कि वी आर ऑलवेज स्टडिंग अ पॉपुलेशन characteristics, right? So let's take a very basic case. Let's say we want to study say the average consumption expenditure of say a particular caste group, could be any caste group. So it's not possible for us to collect the data of this particular caste group and uh, collect it in a sense that collect it for all the uh, for the entire population, right? So what do we do? So one solution for that would be to pick up a random sample, okay? And by definition, a random sample is a sample जिसमें the probability of each unit, each unit of population occurring is constant. So let's say if there is there are n people in a population, so in a random sample each has same probability of coming up in the sample. Okay, so the very simple idea here is that once we have collected this random sample, we can take the mean, we can calculate the mean, right? And we can get some idea about the population. But it is always possible that probably there was some past study which suggested, hey, the mean of this random variable, let's call this random variable say x, is basically mu naught. Whatever mu naught, we don't care about it, is some mu naught. However, what we find was it was not equal to mu naught. Okay, we'll define these terms a little later, but let's say that these are two claims you're making. Rather, I would say this is a claim and this is basically, this is the past claim, I would say past claim, and this is our basically current claim, the claim that has come from the sample. Okay, so what statistical inference does is it gives us some tools to make a judgment. A judgment of what? A judgment that can help us assess these claims. Which claims? This particular claim. Okay. This is not a claim. This is a very vaguely specified claim. If you notice, when I say mu is not equal to mu naught, it means basically mu can take any value except mu naught. So it's a very vague claim. This is the claim that we are trying to verify. Okay, so essentially this is the broad idea of statistical inference, that we have a claim and we're trying to understand that claim using some kind of a tool. Let's call it, let's name that tool right now here only. Let's call it a test statistic. We'll discuss this in much detail in the coming slides. So this is the basic structure of statistical inference.